First, plug in to the power source. Wait until the power lights and system on. Turn on the welding machine. Set the voltage and current needed. Connect the USB cable to the extender. Connect to the laptop or tablet. Open Protype software to run the hardware. Connect the software to the Protype. Make some calibration and configuration. Y-axis movement, X-axis movement, and Z-axis movement. Make sure all the hardware are functionally. Insert G-code files in the software. Set the homing and torch distance from the workpiece. Test the G-code until it runs correctly. The programming will run the specific shape. Welding will on when servo hit the button. Welding will off when servo retract from button. Do final test before weld. Put the terminal clamp if the settings are done. Run the process. Turn off the welding machine. Make sure the power are off. Pull off the terminal clamp. Pull the plug from the power source. These are the welding results. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.